First and foremost, you should measure the space to determine where cuts will be made. Then do a dry lay installation. The underlay should be smooth, even, steady, and dry, but more than anything, it should act as a supporting element. As soon as you are done with the underlay, prepare the adhesive according to the manufacturer's recipe. Apply adhesive on the back of each tile with the butter floating procedure, using a trowel to spread it out even. For a proper binding of tiles, make sure you apply adhesive all over their surface. Use a tape measure for measuring the tiles to be cut and highlight the cutting area. This operation is completed directly at the installation site, either with the water cooling machine or with the angle grinder, but always with diamond discs. Pipe cuttings are made with the hole saw, and for installing the electrical connection box, use the already mentioned technology for cutting. In the end, seal the surface so that travertine pores remain closed.